Bylori. Welcome to my studio. I'm glad you stopped by. I'm going to be working on some coasters today on 4-inch tiles. They're just simple tiles that I get at Lowe's, 4-inch by 4-inch. And I'm going to be painting the top, then resining them with a heat-resistant resin so that they can withhold the heat of a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. I've got them here on my spinner. I've got them leveled. And I'm going to do some balloon kisses. I got myself a new water balloon, a little water balloon here today to work with because they're just little coasters. So let's have some fun. I have colors for you. I've got DecoArt Metallic Green. I've got Artist Loft Metallic Purple. DecoArt 24 Karat Gold. And this is DecoArt Garnet. So I'm just going to put some paint down, play with the balloon, spin it out a little bit probably, maybe, and we'll see. I'm going to put some music on now, and you can just enjoy the paint. really pretty. I love all the colors. Just in time for spring. Got a store that I'm restocking my items in that I've got them for sale. They're along the wine trail of the Finger Lakes here where I live in New York State. And I think that these will be great for the spring season coming up. Pretty much sold out of everything else that I had up there, so I gotta get busy and make some more. So I'll probably show you some other ideas I have for some other ones. But I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate that greatly. You guys make sure you take care of yourselves and have some fun painting too. Thanks so much for sharing this with me. Love to you all. See you next time. Bye.